everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Princess Swag box from the Swag World for August month. So this is the box which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all is there. But before that, this is my first Swag box. So first let's talk about the Swag World. So the best part about the Swag World is that they have 6 different subscription boxes. So you can select a perfect subscription box for you according to the budget, you can say, or according to the jewelry pieces, number of jewelry pieces, which is just amazing, I guess. Now, I'll be unboxing the Princess Swag box with the bonus. Let's talk about that. The price for that is $14.99, and in this, you will receive 3 jewelry pieces plus 1 bonus product. Bonus product can be random, it can be a bag, it can be a cosmetic, it can be a beauty product or cosmetic, or it can be a jewelry part. So in my case, I've got a bag, but let's first talk about the jewelry, and then we'll move on to the bonus part. So let's just quickly unbox it and see what all I have received. The first thing is this box, black colored box, and Swag box is written here. The Swag World is written here. This is a magnetic closure box, which is nice. And the best part is this. This is really beautiful. Bright pink is the packing. So I love it. Really cute. And of course, box is quite useful. Then I have some cards here. The first one is this. This says the Swag World. On the other side, it's a handwritten note. So I absolutely love handwritten note because they are specially written for you. So a really sweet touch. It says, "Hey beautiful, here is your Princess Swag box with a bonus, which contains 3 jewelry pieces and a bonus gift," which I have already told you. Love, team, the Swag World. So yes, really nice touch in the box. Now, as I've told you, there are 6 different subscription boxes. So these are the cards for that. Let me just tell you what all they have. The first one is the Princess Swag box. The second one is Curate Your Own Swag box. Then they have Swag box with a bonus. The next one is Classic Swag box. The next is Style My Swag box, and then Mini Swag box. And now let's just quickly unbox it and see what all is there. So the first jewelry is this. Let me first show you. It's nicely packed like this, like all the jewelries. The first one is this. This is a neck piece. Yes. So let me show you. Really bright yellowish. It's not really fluorescent, but fluorescent yellow kind of a shade. And this is the look. Let me wear it and show you. Wow. So this is the look. This is my first neck piece, and you can just see it's so stunning, very fashionable, very classy, I would say. Really pretty, very girly for me. So I'm loving it. Really pretty. And the color is quite different, so I'm liking it because I don't have anything in this color. So yes, really happy with this. This is the first neck piece, and the quality and everything of this is quite nice. So yes, I'm happy with the quality. I'm happy with the designs, and of course, look is just stunning. So yes, I'm really happy with the first one. Let's move on to the second one now. The second one is a pair of earrings. And I'm not really removing it. The next earrings are in pink color, but I don't want to remove this. It's so pretty. So second pair is this. It has baby pink and some dark pinkish shade. This is the look. Let me just wear one. This is the look, and they look so cute. And these are just perfect for a party look. Just have a look. Really pretty, the design and everything. The stone is the quality of the stone. Let me show you like this one. So the quality of stones, you can see, quite nice. And yeah, quality wise good. Design is quite nice, I would say. Color combination is again quite different, I would say. So a good combination. I'm liking it. This is the next one. I know it's not going with the neck piece. Just ignore the neck piece and concentrate on the earrings. So this is the look. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful ring, and this is the ring. Really pretty. The stone is so nice. It looks like that's emerald, but it's not emerald. The color is like that. It's green, bottle green kind of a color. And of course, the quality is very good for this. Very, very good. I'm very impressed with the quality. It's really beautiful, very rich, very Rajwada kind of a feeling. So yes, I am loving it. My first favorite is, I guess, this or this. I don't know. I'm really confused. But these two pieces are just amazing. I love the earring also, but I think these two are just amazing, and I know that I will be wearing them. So really happy with this and with this, and even this is nice. So these are the three jewelry pieces which I have received in my the Princess Swag box with a bonus. Yes, I'm left with the bonus. So let me show you the bonus as well. I have already told you that I've got a bag in bonus. So let me show you the bonus. This is the beautiful bag which I have got. It's a portly bag. So you just have to open it. It's just perfect for Indian attire. You can just match this with your Indian thing. And of course, the color is gray and gold. So I think this will go with most of your Indian outfits. And of course, very useful whenever you are going for a wedding, for maybe for dinner, and you are wearing something heavy, so you can just take it. So this is a bonus which I really like. So yeah, that's all what I've received in my Princess Swag box for the month of August, and this is my first box. So yes, I really want to share my experience. I love the jewelry quality. So quality is really nice. Then designs are quite nice. Colors, I have received nice color and all are different. So yes, I like it. This is bottle green, and then this color is fluorescent, yellowish fluorescent, and then this is pinkish, you can say. So yes, I love the combination. The colors are different, styles is nice, so everything is nice. So I'm quite happy, quite impressed with the swag world, and I'm looking forward for my next edition as well. So that's all for today. I'll be mentioning the buying link for the swag world. You can just go and select the perfect variety, perfect subscription box for you. Go ahead and place your order. So that's all for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.